Hi, for those of you who are just starting out in model rocketry, I wanted to do a video demonstrating up close how a model rocket works during flight. This rocket has a B6-4 Estes model rocket engine inside. Once ignited, that engine will fire thrust for 0.8 seconds. Then, once thrust is done, there will be a 4-second delay. Now, during this delay, during flight, it will leave a smoke trail so you can follow the rocket through the sky. At the end of that 4 seconds, the ejection charge will fire, blowing off the nose cone and ejecting the recovery wadding as well as the parachute, allowing your rocket to safely glide back down to Earth. So let me demonstrate, and I'll show you how a model rocket works up close. T-minus 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, ignition. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.